In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT tricks the right way so you can get better answers, faster results, and more useful outputs every single time. Whether you're writing content, planning ideas, creating scripts, or just trying to save time, these simple tricks can completely change the way you use ChatGPT. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first trick is to be specific. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make when using ChatGPT. If you give a vague prompt like write something, the response will also be vague. But if you tell ChatGPT exactly what you want, the answer becomes much better. For example, instead of saying write something, you can say write a YouTube script on fitness tips in simple language. That gives ChatGPT a clear topic, a clear format, and a clear style. The more specific you are, the more accurate and useful the response will be. So always include this topic, the goal, the tone, and the type of output you want. The second trick is using the act as prompt. This is a powerful way to guide ChatGPT into giving expert-level responses. For example, you can say, act as a digital marketing expert and give me a strategy for growing an online business. When you use this trick, ChatGPT starts responding from a more focused perspective. You can act as a teacher, a coach, a copywriter, a programmer, or even a business consultant. This helps shape the answer so it matches the role you want. It's one of the easiest ways to get more professional and more relevant results. The third trick is asking for a format. If you want the answer to be easier to read or use, just tell ChatGPT how you want it structured. You can ask for bullet points, step-by-step instructions, a table, a list, or even a script format. For example, say, give me this in bullet points, or give me a step-by-step explanation. This is especially helpful when you're creating content, studying, or organizing information. Instead of getting a big block of text, you get something clean, clear, and ready to use. Format prompts save time and make the output much more practical. The fourth trick is improving the results with follow-up prompts. Don't think of the first answer as the final answer. ChatGPT works even better when you keep refining the output. You can say, make it better, make it shorter, make it more professional, or make it more engaging. These small follow-up prompts help you shape the response exactly how you want it. If the answer feels too long, too formal, or too basic, just ask for changes. This back and forth process is what makes ChatGPT powerful because you're not just accepting the first response, you're training it to give you a better one. The fifth trick is using follow-ups to keep improving until it's perfect. This is where most people stop too early. Instead of using one prompt and moving on, keep asking for more detail or a better version. You can say, give me 3 alternatives, explain that in simpler words, or rewrite it for beginners. You can also ask ChatGPT to expand one part and shorten another. The more you interact with it, the more useful it becomes. Think of it like a conversation, not just a one-time search. That's how you get the best possible output. So let's quickly recap the main ChatGPT tricks. First, be specific with your prompt. Second, use the act as trick to get expert-style answers. Third, ask for the exact format you want. Fourth, improve the response with simple edits like shorter, better, or more professional. And fifth, keep using follow-up prompts until the result is exactly what you need. These are simple techniques, but they make a huge difference in the quality of your results. If you want to get more value from ChatGPT, start using these tricks today. The more clearly you communicate, the better the AI can help you. And once you practice these prompts a few times, you'll notice how much faster and easier it becomes to get great answers. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.